We were compensated for this video. The description section of this video also contains affiliate links, and I will be compensated if you make a purchase after clicking on my links.
Welcome back to the House that Never Slumbers. Today we are making Dollar Tree Christmas crafts. This is the example, and you will need adult supervision for the gluing. What we will need is these little decoration bows from the Dollar Tree. We'll need some mini jingle bells from the Dollar Tree and some evergreen garland ties and some other stuff we found around our house. We start with the stick and then start with this, right?
Yes. We found these twigs in our yard and we just went out and picked up whatever we could find.
What do
we start by gluing one little piece at the very top of the stick with the point going up like a Christmas tree.
And then we take another one.
Then we take one of these smaller pieces, and these were cut to 1.5 inches for the first level of those. And kind of angle those down like you would see on an evergreen tree. Our glue gun is in very sad shape. The girls tried to use a crayon in it.
I didn't.
And
I don't remember the last time I used
made it a mess.
Yeah, but I don't remember the last time.
I think they were doing some kind of art project where they used melted crayon by running it through the glue gun. That's my assumption. I really don't know what they did with it, but I found a crayon in it anyway.
And the pieces get bigger farther down they go.
Oh yeah, the second level was 2 1/4 inches, and the third level was 3 3/4 inches.
Okay.
So
we let that dry.
We let that dry a little bit before we start decorating the rest of it.
Now we're going to turn this over and glue the handle on.
And that's just a little loop made from leather strap that we happen to have on hand anyway. And maybe that was, I don't know, 10 inches of that stuff that we just made a loop with and then glued it on. And you don't have to use leather strap. You could use ribbon. On this one we used this like burlap string that we had left over from my daughter's wedding. You can use anything you have on hand.
Okay. Let's let that dry. Now we're going to tie on the decorations, and you can use any kind of clear wire that you have. So I'm going to start off with a jingle bell. Okay, it's going inside the jingle bell. Why is this so hard?
The fishing line works better, but we used all the fishing line on the examples, so now we're stuck with clear bead string, like
Wait, do I have
elastic stuff.
I still have more.
Oh, yeah, there's more fishing line.
So
probably want to use fishing line if you have it. You could also use really thin bead wire if you had like silver or gold.
So you're just going to double knot it. And then you're going to cut off the pieces of wire.
And there you have one little jingle bell that looks like a Christmas ornament on that. And then you just keep doing that throughout. You can do bows.
Some buttons.
We had these buttons at our house already in our craft drawer, so we decided to try those.
And don't forget to put the star on top. And you're done with your Christmas tree.
Looks so cute. And we also realized that we could make these simple Christmas wreaths with the wired garland ties from the Dollar Tree. these are really easy. You don't even have to glue that together. I just wired that into a circle and then put a ribbon on there and a bow on the top, and it would be very easy for a littler kid to decorate that and make it really cute. I think we'll probably do those with the youth group later on in December. So you have all these great things, and it did not cost us much money to make this craft, which turned out really cute. This Christmas tree, this Christmas tree, this Christmas tree. So you have these rustic trees. They look so cute. You could hang those. You could hang them on the fireplace. I'm thinking of hanging them between the stockings on our fireplace. You could hang them on a doorknob or on a door or maybe on a cabinet door. You could hang them on the wall if you wanted. But it's a very simple craft, and the only things we bought for this were these bows from the Dollar Tree, these jingle bells from the Dollar Tree, and the wired garland ties, which can be found at the Dollar Tree. And the rest of the stuff was just random, like, extra items from our craft drawer or these twigs that we found in our yard. So there you have it. Cute Christmas, rustic Christmas craft.
Now we're finished. So if you want to see another Christmas video, go check out last year's dollar store Christmas craft. We made slime with our cousin, and like and subscribe. See you next time at the House That Never Slumbers.